Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? Okay, please introduce myself. My name is Elvis Sonatha, founder and mentor in Dusun Web. In this course, you will know and understand about how to build APIs and their needs in the industry today. To access your services, users must register themselves and log in as the primary key to access your API. For example, to buy goods, order hotels, and make payments for those items. The tokens make security for your privacy. For things that are just information access, you might not need a token, but usually aside from logging in and registering, you should use it. The token will be used when you create new data, enter transactions, change product data, or delete items in the shopping basket. Open Postman, access localhost port 3333/products. Click send. You'll see in the preview this is invalid GWT token. GWT must be provided. This error appears because you have not entered the token in your headers. Now you have to log in first with localhost 3333/login. Enter your email and password. Then a response will appear like this. Copy your token with Command C and paste it in the value of headers. Don't forget to add with bearer because GWT use bearer, and the key enter with authorization. Click send. You see that in pretty you have two products here, and you can also add new products by accessing localhost 3333/products with a post method with headers and body like this. Name, gear, description is gear, good for you, and then price is 200. Click send. Usually the response like this. So if you back with get methods, click send, your new products is here. You can also change the detail of the products using put method and add with 1. Remember, ID 1 is mineral water 500 milliliter. I have to change with mineral water 300 milliliter. Click send. This ID number 1 is name mineral water 300 milliliter and click it for you. And you can delete your product with delete method. Change that to delete method. Click send. If you change method to show with get with params ID like this, you see there is no product because ID number 1 is gone. Remove params ID and you can see there is no ID 1. I will present this course this time with a detailed explanation of the mechanism and how the API works. I hope that with this course you will become a backend developer, and you have a question, please ask question in each video. So enjoy this course and don't forget to write a review and give this course with 5 stars. Barakallahu feekum.